Today we will be talking about reducing fractions using division. The fraction I'm looking at is 6/15. Remember, whenever we want to reduce a fraction using division, then both the numerator 6 and the denominator 15 must be divided by the same number. So I'm going to look at numbers 2, 3, 4, etc. Does 6 divide by 2? Well, it's an even number, so yes, it does. Does 15 divide by 2? No. Therefore, I cannot use 2, and I move on to the next number. Does 6 divide by 3? Yes. Does 15 divide by 3? Yes. So my common factor is 3. And I will divide both 6 and 15 by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 15 divided by 3 is 5. And I repeat that process. 2. Does 2 divide by 2? Yes. Does 5 divide by 2? No. Is there any other number that 2 can be divided by? No. That means that 2/5 is the reduced form of 6/15. You have no other options. There is no common factor. So 2/5 is in lowest terms. Let's try another fraction. 24 over 42. And we want to reduce this. Remember, both the numerator and denominator must be divided by the same number. So let's look at 2. Does 24 divide by 2? Yes, it is even. Does 42 divide by 2? Yes, it is also even. So I know that my common factor will be 2. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 42 divided by 2 is 21. And I will put those answers in the appropriate position. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 42 divided by 2 is 21. And we will repeat that process. 12. Does 12 divide by 2? Yes, it is even. Does 21 divide by 2? No. But that means we cannot use 2 because I must divide both the numerator and the denominator by the same number. 3. Does 12 divide by 3? Yes. Does 21 divide by 3? Yes. So our common factor is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 21 divided by 3 is 7. And I repeat that process. 4. Does 4 divide by 2? Yes. Does 7 divide by 2? No. So I cannot use 2 to reduce the 4/7. Is there another number that 4 can be divided by? 4 will divide by 4. Does 7 divide by 4? No. At this point, I have no other options that I can divide the 4 by, so I know that 4/7 is the reduced form of 24 over 42.